Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Calibrate the water dispenser anytime after startup. This mode allows you to calibrate the water dispensing system for accurate volume measurements if you wish to make adjustments. Important: flush the water system before calibrating. See Flush the water system in the owner's manual. For best results, calibration should be performed when water is not being used in the house. Press and hold the light button for 5 seconds to enter. Calibration mode. Note: once activated, the display will show a calibration mode message and a target volume, 8 ounces/0.2 L. The pour/stop button backlight will blink. Automatic water dispensing, autofill, is disabled. Manual water dispensing is only available via the pour/stop button. Important: flush the water system before calibrating. See Flush the water system in the owner's manual. For best results, calibration should be performed when water is not being used in the house. Place a measuring cup on the dispenser tray in the center. Press and hold the pour/stop button to dispense water into the measuring cup until the mentioned amount of water is dispensed. In this case, the calibration is set to 8 ounces. Note: if the cup overfills or water spills, empty the cup, and then start the calibration procedure again. To save the calibration, press and hold the ice type button for 3 seconds after dispensing water. Note: calibration mode will exit without saving if there's no user interaction for 5 minutes, or if you press and hold the light button for 5 seconds. Calibration can be performed during initial installation and setup, or entered later for the first time, or for desired changes. To keep your unit's dispensing and performance up to date, periodically check for over-the-air updates via Wi-Fi. Refer to your owner's manual, quick start guide, and/or our branded sites for more consumer instructions and need to know. Also, check your unit's QR codes found in the refrigerator compartment, owner's manual, and quick start guide.